day, without the employees knowing what was going to happen, they were first confronted with a band who played some classic music. The first idea that you get then is, okay, we're going to listen to the band. But then all of a sudden the conductor told us something different. He told us that the rest of the afternoon we were actually going to have to make the music ourselves. We had about 1 hour to rehearse in the groups, and then another half an hour we rehearsed all together. And then, as by miracle, there came something which actually resembled Carmina Burana. Can you believe that? I think what we experience today is a beautiful illustration of what is needed to achieve our vision. And today, with this beautiful event, we created team spirit in harmony. We showed that it's possible to do what we believed at first was impossible. We proved that it was made possible by practicing and by putting things in smooth collaboration and harmony. And that is what is needed to achieve our vision.